Tired of people secretly screenshotting your disappearing photos and videos on WhatsApp? I'm going to show you how to put a stop to that right now. Alright, this trick only works for disappearing photos and videos, also known as view once media. So, first open up WhatsApp and go to the chat where you want to send the picture or video. Next, tap the camera icon in the bottom right corner. Choose the photo or video you want to send from your gallery. Now, this is the crucial step. Before sending, you'll see a small one icon inside a circle next to the send button. Tap that icon. You should now see a message that says photo set to view once. This means the recipient can only view it one time, and they will be alerted if a screenshot is attempted in most new Android phones. Finally, hit the send button. That's it. The recipient will see a lock icon on the media, indicating it's a view once photo or video. Now, when they try to screenshot that photo or video, the other user's phone will show cannot take screenshots due to security policy. Keep in mind this doesn't prevent someone from using another phone to take a picture of the screen, so always be careful what you share. And there you have it. Now you can send those disappearing photos and videos with a little more peace of mind. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks.